Well, hey guys, Keith of Alaskan Motorhome, and it is the beginning of July, and I still haven't started my motorhome yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it started today. Try to get it moved into a position where I can wash it, and I need to remove all the winterization from the water lines and get it ready so we can go camping. So this thing hasn't been started in like 9 months or more. So usually it's a diesel, so it usually lets out one big puff of black smoke and then it runs nice and clean. So let's see how it does after sitting for 9 months. Well, she seemed to start pretty easy, and as usual she let out that big puff of smoke and then it's running clear as a bell. I don't know if like while it's sitting the injectors are dripping diesel or what, I don't know, but once that puff of smoke's gone it runs good. Let me see, we got just rolled over to 50,917 miles on this 1994 Fleetwood Flair 32-foot HD diesel pusher. So alright, so now let's see if we can get it moved. Let's see if my backup camera's working. Oh yeah. Sweet. Alright, well, we got her moved. Alright, well, was sitting straight this way, so now I got it angled over so I can just jump in and pew, take off like a big escape pod. Alright, so next we need to flush out the water system, get all that winterization stuff out of there, the antifreeze. Alright, well, I flushed out the antifreeze out of the lines. Now I'm putting in some fresh water in the tank, and I drained my hot water tank. And there's all the coolant I got out. So I just have to primer the lines and flush out any remaining coolant that's in the lines, so that'll be next. And we're almost up to, have it right to there. Get it up till I can hear. Alright, so got some clear water running out. I put water in the reservoir and I'd turn on the water pump and it would pump it into the hot water tank and kind of flushed it out. So that's kind of cool. These old plastic plugs. Alright, let's go inside and see what comes out of the lines. Alright, let's try that again. Looks good. Flush the toilet. Didn't think you wanted to look down in there. Alright, so let's see. Black tank. There's a fourth gray tank, empty. Fresh water still says empty. Well, I didn't realize that my water level was low out there, and I started sucking air into the lines. So that's why I was getting all that crazy foam and the erratic flow of water. There, now that's better. Let's see how this kitchen one does now. Alright, well hey, that's better. Well, I'm glad everything's running good, but my favorite thing is none of the pipes busted during the winter, so there's no leaks anywhere. So yay, that's a big plus.